Hi everyone, Dr. David Kulla here with Synergy Wellness in New York City. Today I'm going to show you one tip how to alleviate back pain or back pain with sciatica, leg pain, okay? Anybody that has back pain, you want to check their psoas muscle. That muscle spelled Psoas. Where you're going to find it is halfway between the umbilicus, the belly button, and the front of your hip here, that little bone that sticks out where your belt line goes on over. Right? So you're going to go halfway in between there, stick your hand and fingers in there, and then stick your other hand over it, and you're going to move the hands around in a circular motion, pretty deep. You're going to get in there. It's uncomfortable. It's painful. If it's painful, that means you're on the right spot and that psoas is really tight. You have a psoas muscle on both sides, and the only way to get to the psoas muscle is through the stomach. You cannot release the psoas muscle through the back. You have 5 layers of back muscles. The only way, again, is through the stomach. So if you have back pain or sciatica, have your loved one, your wife, your husband, significant other, family member come in here halfway between the belly button and the anterior hip. We're going to show you here on an illustration, and you go right in there with the hands and do a circular motion like that and release it for about a minute. Thanks for tuning in.